Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a journey through space and discover 10 surprising facts that you might not know about. Space is vast and fascinating, and there's still so much we don't know about it. So, let's get started. But before we begin, please subscribe our YouTube channel, such amazing and informative videos. Fact number 1. Space smells like seared steak. Did you know that space has a smell? And it's not what you might expect. Astronauts who have been on spacewalks describe the smell as similar to seared steak. But before you start salivating, it's important to know that this smell isn't actually coming from space itself. In fact, the smell is the result of various chemicals and compounds that are released when astronauts return from a spacewalk. These chemicals are then trapped in the fabric of their spacesuits, and when they remove their helmets, the smell is released. Despite the fact that the smell may not be coming from space itself, it's still fascinating to think about what other mysteries and wonders space has in store for us. Fact number 2. The hottest planet in our solar system is not closest to the Sun. When we think of the hottest planet in our solar system, we often assume it must be the one closest to the Sun, Mercury. But, in fact, this isn't the case. Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury doesn't actually have the highest temperatures. The title of the hottest planet actually goes to Venus. With an average temperature of 864 degrees Fahrenheit, 462 degrees Celsius, Venus is hot enough to melt lead. So, why is Venus so much hotter than Mercury? It all comes down to the greenhouse effect. Venus has a thick atmosphere made up of carbon dioxide, which traps heat from the Sun and creates a runaway greenhouse effect. This is similar to what we're seeing happen on Earth, as we continue to release more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Fact number 3. The coldest place in our solar system is on the Moon. When we think of cold places in our solar system, we might think of Pluto or even the outer planets, but in fact, the coldest place is actually on the Moon. In 2009, NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter measured the temperature of the Moon's surface and found that the coldest spot was in a crater at the Moon's south pole. This spot is in perpetual darkness, and temperatures can drop to -387 degrees Fahrenheit, -233 degrees Celsius. This makes it colder than the surface of Pluto, which has an average temperature of -378 degrees Fahrenheit, -228 degrees Celsius. Fact number 4. We all know diamonds are rare and precious on Earth, but did you know that there's a planet made entirely of diamond? The planet is called 55 Cancri e, and it's located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. This exoplanet is about twice the size of Earth and has a mass 8 times greater than Earth. The planet is so dense that it's believed to be made almost entirely of carbon. Under the intense pressure and heat on 55 Cancri e, the carbon atoms are believed to be arranged in a crystalline structure, creating a planet made of diamond. Fact number 5. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. When we think of a day on a planet, we usually think of one complete rotation on its axis. But on Venus, a day is longer than a year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, making a day on Venus longer than a year on Venus, which takes only 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. This means that a day on Venus is actually about 117 Earth days long, while a year on Venus is only about 88 Earth days long. The reason for this unusual phenomenon is believed to be due to Venus' slow rotation and its proximity to the Sun. Fact number 6. There's a planet made of ice. We all know about the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, but did you know that there's a planet made entirely of ice? The planet is called Gliese 436b, and it's located about 33 light-years away in the constellation Leo. This exoplanet is about the size of Neptune and has a mass 23 times greater than Earth. Underneath the layer of ice, the planet is believed to have a rocky core and an atmosphere composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Fact number 7. The Sun is the center of our solar system, and it plays a critical role in supporting life on Earth. But did you know that the Sun makes up 99.86% of the mass in our solar system? The Sun's mass is estimated to be about 1.989 by 10 to the power of 30 kilograms, while the combined mass of all the planets, moons, asteroids, and other objects in our solar system is only about 0.14% of the Sun's mass. This means that the Sun is not only the largest object in our solar system, but it also dominates its gravity and magnetic field, shaping the orbits and behavior of all the objects in its vicinity. Fact number 8. Have you ever heard of a planet where it rains glass sideways? Well, it's true. The planet is called HD 189733b, and it's located about 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula. This exoplanet is a gas giant, about the size of Jupiter, and it orbits very close to its host star, causing it to have extreme weather conditions. The planet's temperature is estimated to be around 1000 degrees Celsius, which causes the glass to form in its atmosphere. Fact number 9. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a storm that's been raging for over 350 years. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it's famous for its striking feature known as the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm on Jupiter that has been raging for over 350 years. The storm is about twice the size of the Earth and has wind speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. Scientists are still trying to understand the cause of the storm and how it has been able to persist for so long. Jupiter's atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium, with smaller amounts of methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Fact number 10. Did you know that there's a planet in our universe where it snows metal? The planet is called WASP 76b, and it's located about 390 light-years away from Earth. This exoplanet is a hot Jupiter, meaning it's a gas giant that's orbiting very close to its host star. WASP 76b's atmosphere is extremely hot, with temperatures reaching up to 2400 degrees Celsius. These metals then cool and condense into clouds, and eventually, it snows metal on the planet. These are just a few of the amazing and surprising facts about space. We hope this video has inspired you to learn more about the universe beyond our planet Earth. If you liked the content of the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down your thoughts on this. Want more amazing videos? Subscribe to our channel and get more fantastic videos to watch. Thanks for watching till the end.